If you've been trying ClickBank, picking products, grabbing your link, and not seeing results, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you ClickBank affiliate marketing step by step, and more importantly, what most beginners are missing. So what is ClickBank? Well, ClickBank is a marketplace of digital products. You don't create anything, you promote other people's products and earn a commission. Now some products, they pay around $20, some $100 per sale. When you're choosing a product, look at something called the gravity score. This basically shows how many affiliates are making sales with that product, so it's a good indicator that it actually converts. So as a rough guide, I like to look for something between 10 and 100. It's not too low, but it's not overly saturated either. Here's where most beginners go wrong. They send traffic directly to a ClickBank link. No email list, no follow-up, no system. And if that person doesn't buy, they're gone forever. So instead of doing this, we need a way to keep people, not lose them. So I've made a few sales on ClickBank, nothing massive yet, but enough to prove this works. And what I realize is this: those sales didn't come from just dropping links. They came from having a simple system behind it. So your system becomes traffic, lead, email, offer. So let me quickly break this down step by step and show you how this actually works in practice. So first you're going to need traffic, a way for people to find you. Now there are two ways of doing this. You've either got free traffic or you can pay for it. So I'm going to be talking about paid traffic first. Now, one of the most popular ways of getting traffic when you're an affiliate marketer is to use something called solo ads. Now these mainly work for the make money online niche or the BizOp niche, but there are some other niches like health as well, which they do offer. So the idea here is that these people have very large email lists, which they're building every day, and your advert with your affiliate link will get sent out to their lists. Now it works by you getting clicks back to your offer or your sales page. So down the side here, you can see how much it's going to cost you a click. So at the top here, 92 cents, 40 cents, 40 cents. A lot of 40 cents ones here. This one's 90 cents. And this one's 52 cents, 65 cents. So we come into, say, this one here, 40 cents a click. And then you can set up how many clicks you want. So say you only want 100 clicks. So for 100 clicks at 40 cents each, it's going to cost you $43. Now normally they give you more than 100 clicks, so you might get 120 clicks or something like that for that price. If you want more clicks, you just increase this. So if you wanted 200 clicks, it's going to cost you $83. So you get the idea. And in here you can add your link to your sales page or your opt-in page. You've got something called top tier, so if you want only the top tier countries like the US, UK, New Zealand, Australia, you just tick that box, so you'll get traffic only from those countries. So that's how it works really. It's fast traffic, it starts almost immediately, and it's good for testing out offers, seeing how they're going to perform. So you've got a lot of sellers on this site. I've only shown you a fraction. Another solo ad site example is Traffic Zest, and this works in the same way. The traffic is supposed to be slightly higher quality. Now as a beginner, I would not recommend you to try solo ads because you can go through a lot of money and you really have to know what you're doing. So the idea is that you're going to try and break even, and your follow-up emails will hopefully get you into profit and pay for your traffic that you bought. But it doesn't actually work like that in practice. Very few people get into profit. They really have to know what they're doing. So as a beginner, I would steer clear of this for now. There's also My Lead Gen Secret. I've used this quite a bit. You can get a lot of traffic from this, and it's going to cost you $1 a day for 100 leads. Bear in mind that these leads are cold. I mean, they're really icy cold. So you're not going to get a sale every day, not even every week. So a lot of people do quit this because they don't see results immediately, but you have to stick with it for a few months at least. I mean, you're getting 100 leads a day, and you see I can now mail to 58,700 people. So if I come back into the ClickBank marketplace, I can show you the offers which do work well with My Lead Gen Secret. This one here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. I've made sales of that on My Lead Gen Secret. This one also, live chat jobs, and this one as well, Write App Reviews, very popular one. So using the traffic from My Lead Gen Secret, you can get ClickBank sales. So now let's look at the free traffic option. Now free traffic is going to be slower than paid traffic, and it does take a while to build up momentum. So the options here as a beginner are things like YouTube, Quora, Facebook and TikTok. I mean, there are many other sites as well, such as Instagram you can use, but those are the main ones, plus of course your blog. So let's look at how this works in practice. So somebody comes in, they watch one of your videos, or they read one of your social media posts, they click your link. So then they come to a page like this, and this is called an opt-in page. And what they'll do here is they'll put in their email address in exchange for something free. They get a simple free guide, and then you'll follow up with your email sequence, which goes out automatically, 1 email a day. And in each email, you'll have your ClickBank affiliate link. So basically in each email, you're going to be promoting a ClickBank product. So what you do is you come into ClickBank, select your product and click the button here that says get affiliate link, and then you just copy that link here and you drop that into each email, and that's it. So that's how you connect your ClickBank product into your emails. But the key thing here is this: you're not just sending links, you're sending them as part of a sequence. So instead of one chance to make a sale, you've now got multiple chances. And that's really the difference between just dropping links and actually having a system behind it. One email might just give value, the next might share something helpful, and then another introduces the product. It's not about the link, it's about where the link sits in the process. Most people grab a link, send traffic, and hope something happens. And if it doesn't, they just try something else. But once you understand this simple process, everything starts to change. So hopefully now this makes a lot more sense. ClickBank itself isn't complicated, but the difference is how you use it. So now you've got a clear idea of how ClickBank actually works, and more importantly, how to approach it properly. Keep it simple, stick to the system, and just focus on consistency. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.